Hello. This is a video that will go through ways you can edit, correct, attach, detach referral letters, or scans basically. So we are currently in Captain Kirk, and we've got a fancy, as you can see, referral letter here, signed by the cardiologist. Looks like it's about his heart and his meds for hypertension. So when you look over here, you think, well, that's funny, this says dermatology, so that's something we've got to correct. So let's go through how you can change or fix some of these things. So you click the edit. Okay, once you click that, now let's say first you want to fix this. Item type chart, category dermatology, right? So we're going to come in here, click this, and then we are going to look for cardiology. So let's see, we'll come down here to referral letter. And then under referral letter, you'll see of all these options, we will pick cardiology and then pick OK. And there we go. Now we've changed it to cardiology. Now let's say this was accidentally attached to the wrong patient and you need to change the patient. This can fool you a little bit. You come over here and you click and you're like, oh, can I change the patient? Well, you really can't change the patient name here. You actually have to click here. When you click in this box and then click on this, it opens up this box so that you can find the correct patient. But once you type in the correct patient's name in here, then you can just attach this directly to that patient. So it's actually very simple. But the key is just to remember you've got to click in this box, not where it says patient name. Let us say that this was sent to you, but it really shouldn't be sent to you. Maybe this belongs to a different provider. You go back into the chart and realize that, no, actually you are not the one who sees this kid. And you come down here to address to, okay? And you click here, and then you pull up a list and you've got all the different providers, and you can go ahead and change it to whomever you feel it should go to. Okay, there are a few other things you can do that are kind of interesting. If you come down here, you can actually sign this if you want to. Not sure when that would be helpful, but you can do it. The other thing that you can do is you can highlight it. So you can come over here and you can highlight something in the letter. So you've got a couple other things you can do down here. You've got a pen, you can just freehand draw something. You can annotate or add a little annotation. So those are all options. You can actually even add a note to yourself if you want to by typing over here. If you do any of these things and you don't want to save them, you just come over here and hit cancel, and your edits will go away. Now you can see my edit for dermatology, of course, switching that over correctly went away as well. So we'll come back over here and edit this and fix that. But we won't save my signature because that's not necessary. Okay, so cardiology, okay. All right, so now it's cardiology. It's correctly coming to me still, and I'm not gonna do any other edits. Now, if I want to attach it, I come over here to attach, and you can see I can attach it to the problem list. So I will attach it here so that it gives somebody, so that anybody who's looking at this in the future can look at the letter to see what's going on. If you wanted to attach it to a referral letter, you could come over here. And then if there had been a referral, like let's say this one, you could attach it to this referral and click OK. So that's how you attach it. And then if you don't want it attached, you come over here and you say detach, and then it will take it off of the problem list or the referral, wherever you put it. Let's see. I think that's everything I want to show you. All right. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.